Trafft Booking Software tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Trafft Booking Software as a complete beginner. It is arguably one of the best booking softwares around. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go onto trafft.com and you can get started for completely free. I'll be leaving a link in the description which you can use to sign up and it will help to support the channel. From there, you're just going to tap on Get Started for free and you'll be able to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll choose the industry that you're in. So let's say for example's sake, I want to create one for my barbershop. So I'm going to hover over salons. Then we'll just select barbershop. After you have done that, you can enter in your barbershop name. Then once you have done that, you can see the domain name that you'll be provided with and how did you discover Trafft. So you can select it right there. Then you'll select I agree to the terms of use and select continue. After tapping on continue, from here you can choose the theme that you want. So there are different themes that you can choose from. Let's say we were to select the dark theme. After selecting the dark theme, you're going to tap on create your account. Once you have selected create your account, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to add in the different services that you offer and start setting up your booking website. I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. And this is how your calendar looks at the moment, as you can see right here. So this is just a sample example. What I want you to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and if we were to, for example, tap on appointments, this is where you will see the appointments. And again, this is just a sample. So we're going to tap on services. After selecting services, you'll be able to add services. So we're just going to tap on add. But first, let us delete the examples that are there. Then we'll tap on add service. After you have selected add service, you can put in your service name. So for example, I'll just type in haircut. After you have done that, you can put in a quick description. Scroll down, you can also select an employee. And by the way, to add an employee is quite straightforward. You could go over to the left-hand menu option and select employees. Then you can select the duration. So let's say, for example, it will be 30 minutes. And the cost will be $20. You could also upload a service image right here by tapping on drag, and you could upload an image. Then you'll tap on add, and that's how you'll be able to create a service. So you can see right there. If it is a case that you offer packages, you can also do that. So you can create different packages and you can also, for example, put them into different categories. So we could tap on add once more, and you could select package. And you could create a package right there, or you can continue creating more services. Once you're finished doing this, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you can select employees. After selecting employees, this is where you'll be able to add employees. So you can tap on add employee in the top right-hand corner and you'll be able to input your employee name and email address. After adding your employee name and email address, we're going to tap on location from the left-hand menu option. And you'll be able to add your shop location. So you could tap on add location and you can put in your shop name and you can also put in the address right there. You can search for the particular address. After you have done that, you can enter your phone number and you can add a quick description. Then you'll tap on add location. So you can see right there. And if we were to go onto the paid plan, you'll be able to add numerous locations. So if you have multiple outlets, you can add in the different locations right here. So this is the perfect booking platform. Whether you have a small business and you plan on growing in the future, this platform will allow you to grow with it. So you won't have to migrate to a different booking platform. By going over to the left-hand menu option once more, we'll select finance. From here, you'll be able to select any one of these book payment options, better yet. So you can either choose to connect Square, PayPal, or Stripe. You can see you have numerous options you can choose from, and you can connect all of these options if you want. You also have the option right here. After scrolling down, you can set up a payment link and so on. And by going over to the left-hand menu option, we could select invoices. Then from there, you'll be able to set up how you would like your invoice to look. So for example, if we were to tap on settings right here, you can select customization. After selecting customization, you can put in your logo and you can choose the invoice template that you want. So you can create an invoice. After you have done that, you can set up the taxes that you pay based on the region you're in. You can also create coupons that you could offer to your customers. And you can also set up gift cards, so you'll be able to create gift cards and sell them to your customers, as you can see right there. If it is a case that you run a business that you also offer commissions to your employees, you can set up the commission rate by selecting commission from the left-hand menu option. You can select the employee and you can put in the commission amount. So this is a good platform, doesn't matter the size business that you have. Once you are finished setting that up, if it is a case that you would like to integrate it with any other platform, you can set up integration by selecting features and integration. And you can see you can integrate different calendars and you can select most used and you can see different options that you can integrate right there. So it offers you different integration options, whether it be WhatsApp. You can also integrate analytics. For example, you can add in Facebook pixels, so you'll be able to retarget customers and so on. Once you're finished doing that, you can select customize from the bottom left hand corner. And this is where you'll be able to customize the appearance of your booking website. Now, for example's sake, you can put in your page title. You can also put in a page description. And you can put in the preview image for social media. You can also put in your website logo. And you can also add in your Firecon. Once you're finished doing that, you can go over to the top left-hand corner right here. And you could select theme and appearance. And you can select the theme again that you would like to use. You can change the primary color, you can change the background color, you can change the font. There are numerous editing options that you're provided with. You can select the service page and you can edit the service page to your liking. You can edit the employee page. You can see numerous editing options right here. Once you're finished, you'll just tap on booking calendar or booking website better yet in the top left hand corner. And you can see how our website looks at the moment. As you can see right here, so someone can visit our website, select the time and date that they would like to book our service. Then from there, they'll put in their first, last name, email address, then tap on continue and they'll be able to pay. So it's as easy and as straightforward as that to set it up. You can also select booking form steps and from here you can edit it. So for example, we could select general and you can see how it looks. So these are the different options. So you have the service and category, you have the location, you have the employees, you have the different steps right here. So instead of it being weekly, you could change it to monthly if you want. And if you want to show unavailable booking slots, you can do that. So you have different options you can choose from. For example, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, you can also edit the employee page, you can edit the thank you page. There are numerous editing options that you're provided with. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on share booking in the top right hand corner. From here, you'll be able to either share the booking link, embed it on your website, get a QR code which will allow you to share it, or you can share it via email. So there are different options that you can choose from. If you like this platform, you can go onto their paid plan, which is quite affordable. For example, you can see that your monthly plan begins at $9.90. And you can also go to their most popular plan, which is the scaling plan for $39.90. With this option, you'll be able to add up to 15 users and you'll get unlimited custom features, custom domain, and you'll also be able to remove the branding and so much more. So this is a very good platform if you're looking for a booking software that will grow with your business. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and thank you for watching.